Alright, I'm out here at Zorn Road in Bainbridge, Georgia, and as you can see, little tank on the edge of it, as you can see over there. But as you can see, there's been quite a change here. Only to this signal, really. That signal's completely unchanged, it looks like. First off, as you can see, we got a brand new cantilever here, replacing the older Martin Industries one. And it appears that whenever the old cantilever got wiped out, it actually took the old Western Coins mechanical bell on the signal. As you can see, it's now an E-bell with it, because right over here is the base of that Western Coal and Hayes mechanical bell, and as you can see, it's broken off at the top of there. So I think the cantilever when it came down must come down such a way that it hit the bell and broke it off as well, but didn't really damage the gate mast here, as you can see, because it's still got the 8-inch lights, thankfully, on the rear. But this means there's only one pair of Martin Industries 8-inch lights on the Dothan sub now, and they're over in Cairo. As you can see right here, we got the emergency information. See dot number 637646D. We're at milepost AN 730.68 because it's former ACL line. It's a Progress Rail cantilever, as you can see, by the way. And the lights, they are all Western Coal and Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights with Leotech EV series LEDs, as you can see right there. And right here on the back, you can see the Western Coal and Hayes branding. And I'll show you all the front of the overhead lights real fast. There's the front overhead lights, and going back over here, we got the rear overhead lights. Of course, like I mentioned earlier, we got a new NEG E-bell over here. Don't think the old one had died. I think it just simply got broken off. It might have died, but CSX didn't replace it because it died. I think it just simply broke off based on, like I said, based on the fact you got the base of the old Western Coal and Hayes mechanical bell there still. And then the gate arms actually had changed to it too. This gate arm now has an NEG LED right here at the lowest one there, as you can see. The rest are still the Ricoh LEDs. And like I said, this signal over here remains entirely unchanged, which I suppose ain't too surprising. But yeah, just thought I'd show you all this quick and somewhat unusual, this quick little upgrade here at Zorn Road in Bainbridge, Georgia. Over and out.